But natural language processing is like it's a multidisciplinary discipline. It's a correlation between computer language and linguistic models. Now, that disparity sort of becomes blurry. Right, during mania, that sort of become effaced. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. In dissonance, but they freestyle it. It's intuitive, but they kind of have a fundamental understanding of how music works.
Got it.
They know the major, the minor, the diminished, the augmented, that sort of stuff. So there's a lot of relationship because in art you have composition. Art is composition, it's self-explanatory.
More of an introduction to mental disorder because
What are the commonalities they share? But what you do find is they share a commonality across the book. And pragmatics, sociolinguistics and psycholinguistics. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception, trajectory that occurs. You can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
persuasion.